Welcome to another Enjoying Art portrait lesson. 5 years ago, we started enjoying our community, and this May is our 5th anniversary. Through the whole month, we're going to have a portrait challenge for our members. On your dashboard now, there is a new section. It's called Member Portrait Challenges. Inside that page, you will see all the references and the full version of the demonstrations. This month, in each of our Friday member meeting, I'm going to show you the techniques of portrait drawings. In our last Friday member meeting hours, I'm going to do the critiques in our review Discord server. If you're not yet a member, please come to join us now. This is many members' favorite reference, but often have some very basic mistakes. In this drawing, I'm going to show you how to step by step to capture the information that is very essential for the likeness of the subject matter. Let's start from a very rough sketch, and let's take a look at how the whole picture would appear to you. I'm going to make the outside also a little bit softer. I'm going to take a look at the proportion between these two elements. The left side of the face over here to the cheek on this side. Actually, exactly from the chin to the eyebrows. So that's make it very easy. I'm going to make the eyebrows to here, for example. And the left side and the right side. I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to rotate it. And the left side and the right side need to move a little bit. So that means the cheek over here. And on this side, that is the shadows from the eyebrows to the nostril. From the nostril to the bottom of the chin, it is the same. So I'm going to start from here to here. That's the middle point. I'm not quite sure, so I'm going to double check. Take this. So I'm going to put the line over here, from here to here. That's the nostril. And sitting over here. So that means the middle of the nose over here can come down a little bit. The eye is about 1/3 from the eyebrows to the nose. Like this. Where's the middle between the nose to the mouth? The middle of the lower lip. This is the middle. Yeah, that's the middle point. And I'm going to take a look at whether or not that is correct. Okay, always checking. Assuming the middle of the lower lip. Okay, that is right. So this is good. Now that means the lower lip of the mouth is about here. Okay. I have a whole collections of portrait basics, and you can take a look at them. It each has a little tips about portrait drawing, and they are short videos, very easy to follow. Okay. Now this is good. The lower lip is sitting about in this location, one step at a time, and then the upper lip is about here. Like that. And we're going to have children's portraits drawing and painting program in the fall. So if you're interested, you can take on that special program. It's open to everyone, but member would get discount to sign up. Okay, like this. That's good. And then next, I'm going to blend this. I'm going to use this charcoal stick. I'm going to take a look. The top of the head is about going from here. And usually the eye is right at the middle of the top of the head and the bottom of the chin. So right in the middle over here, that means the top of the head and is about right here. So it can be a little bit lower like this. That's good. apply some value. And softly blend the color. And also carry the tone into the background. All right, now I'm gonna give a little shade to the eyebrows. We don't need to draw all the details at this point. It's too early. Very soft. Now take a look at the nose. It's about the sides about here, and the nostril is about in this location. Here you go. I'm gonna make it a little bit softer over here. And take a look at the corner of the mouth. Here you go. This very soft. There's some catch the shadow underneath. Now the next thing, I'm gonna start shading a little bit more into shape of the side of the face. You can see this whole area actually a little bit darker. Okay, that's good. Have some very soft shadow side. I can move those, borrow some of the charcoal, and then on the forehead over here a little bit softer. You don't need to make the whole drawing everywhere so dark. It's just some area dark. And I'm going to take a look at where's the lightest area. And I think it's the middle of the nose. That's the highlight area. Okay, I'm going to put my hand over here, support this hand, put it on the top, like that. Where's the light area? Right in the middle over here. Here you go. I'm drawing out the light shape. And then take a little light eraser. Here you go. I'm going to use this charcoal pencil. It's a hot charcoal pencil. And I'm going to start coming in over here. Start from the forehead. I'm going to have a little line coming over here. It's the hot charcoal pencil can really define. You're only working into the details after all the shading connections already established. Like that, that's good. Inside over here, there's the pupil. Here you go. Now I'm gonna, that's good. And the upper eyelid. Now take a look at the mouth. Okay, on this side, now I'm going to separate the different plane on the mouth. And I'm going to make this a little bit softer. Here you go, a little toning. And take a look on this side. Okay, and also this a little bit deeper. Like that, have a little bit texture. Here you go, coming over here. So you can see the light coming from this angle, very soft light. And down here, a little bit darker because turning in. And let's take a look at the lower lip. I'm going to apply a little bit texture to the lower lip. take a look at on this side. A few lines, that's good enough. Okay, now on the other side, it's just a little bit lighter. So, okay. I'm going to use my finger, softly blend it, and take a look at how dark is it. I don't want to make it too dark, right? Okay, in this side. That's good. Well, all the details we already added to. In the corner over here. And there's a little corner over here. And I also use my finger, or you can use paper blender if you want to. Okay, like that. And I'm going to come back with the eraser. Coming over here to have a little highlight on the lower lip. Like that. Here you go. That's good. And take a look this a little bit lighter. And at the bottom over here, I'm going to make it a little bit softer. Transition. The upper lip over here needs a little bit more clear. Okay, that needs to be a little bit clear. But that's very easy. If you see it, you always can find a way to do it. You don't like look at the small details. You look at how the things are all connected. Okay, it's very important. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have a make it a little softer on the outside over here, like that. But making sure you don't give too much of distraction. Okay, just some soft suggestions. That's good enough. Okay, and the outside over here, I'm gonna have a little bit more, maybe showing a little bit more, like that. Here you go. Here you go, a little highlight over here. You want to see the whole group of shape. And I have a few here coming over here. Here you go. Now that's good. Now this drawing is finished.